It's all about the body, body. It's all about the body, body. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig, and clearly you see me doing things a little bit different, so let's go ahead and get right into this install, the specs, and what I think about this joint straight out the pack. Okay, giddy up. This is the ARIES T-part unit. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $169. Right out the gate, I'm letting you guys know how much it costs, so if you want to get the fingers popping, open them purse strings, you can do that. Okay, this unit comes with the normal cap instructions, so 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I did go in and wash and condition my unit, as you can see right here, and then I went in and blow dried it. There was no real chemical smell of this unit, but I did want to just give the hair a little bit more movement because it was a little bit, you know, I ain't gonna say stiff, but it was a little bit, you know, it was packed up. So you wanna make sure you get some movement into the hair, okay? Now I did get the 10-inch from my unit, and it does come in 12 or 14 inches. Obviously, depending on those inches, you will pay a little bit more coin, okay? With my specs, my unit is still $169, so I don't gotta worry about all that. Okay, so now I'm popping her on my head, and y'all, she is fitting down big head friendly for me. Now on the side, it only has one size for this unit, which is a medium. So imagine my surprise when I put her on and she was big on my dome. I did have to cut some excess off the sides, and I even went in and plucked through my unit because the hairline, even though it does come pre-plucked, you guys know I get real pluck happy, okay? So I went on and did my thing and then sprayed her down using my tried and true Got to Be Freeze spray. The install for this unit is very, very easy. If you're a beginner and you don't want to do anything crazy, you can do this. Now, as you see right here, I am pulling out my edges. A lot of you guys had questions as far as if the cap is too small or if you have a low hairline, what can you do to hide your lace? This is something that you can do. Pull out your edges or pull out your hairline and apply the lace behind it. Now, I wouldn't suggest you do this with any type of ghost bond or lace bond or bondy bond, whatever it's called. The Got to Be comes off of water, so that's why I'm here for that. Y'all see what I'm saying? See how it's blending down? See? Go, touch it up, sis, touch it up. We don't want the lace showing, okay? Okay, here I am plucking it up again just to make sure it's good to go. I'm holding my lace because that joint was lifting because I was plucking a little bit too much. All right, let me go ahead and pin her back, wrap her down, and then see how she's sitting. Look at that, look at that. Okay, look at the wig gods. We're gonna press her out with a little bit of heat just around the hairline just to get her good and flat, and I'm also gonna press her on the top. Now you see that little hump that I keep messing with in the back? That is my braid. I put a braid in the middle of my head. I don't know why, but I did, and you know, that's how we sitting. Okay, don't judge me, don't judge me. It's gonna be out by next video. Now you could rock the unit just like this straight out the pack, but y'all know me, I'm a little extra. When it comes to the bobs, I like a little bumpity bump. So I'm going in and flipping the hair, trying to do that TikTok look again. We're gonna see if she comes out right. Well, I already know. I'm gonna tell you right now, she didn't come out the way that I wanted her to, but we still got her together. Don't believe me? Just watch. Okay, hey Bruno. Okay, y'all see the little flippity flip? Who you were? Flip, flip. Now, some of the curls were a little stringy looking because of obviously how I'm curling it, so I did go in and chop that. And here we go, y'all. Flip, 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 flip. So as you can see, it didn't really, you know, sit the way I want it, so I'm going back in with my curler. This is a 1-inch curling iron, I think, or maybe 1.5 inch. No, I think it's 1 inch. And I'm just curling it under on the top to give the unit a little bit more body around the top of my unit. See that? See that? See how it's coming together already? I told y'all, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together. Put a little curl right there at the, what's that called? What's that called, y'all? The crown? Yeah. Put that right there at the crown. Get a little bump in there. Ooh, look at that. Look at the body. Look at the body. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. I ain't smiling yet, but I'm feeling myself, okay? Look at the movement, y'all. Look at the movement. Listen. Okay, we're gonna use our knot eraser and get that parting space together because it does blend down really, really well. Okay, we got the little doe swoops on the side to get the hairline together, and look at that, y'all. The hairline, like I said, is a T part, so you don't get no extra lace besides what you get on the sides and through the middle, okay? This unit is shiftable, however, it may change up the look of the parting space just a smidge. So make sure you go in and kind of finagle that for yourself. Ooh, I had to put my glasses on so I can see. Look, look, look. Ooh, yes, move that hair, girl. You know I can't stop touching it. I can't stop touching it. All right, to the side, to the back. She's looking like a snack. Y'all know how we doing. You know how we doing. Yes. Get out of here, Cindy Lou. Get out of here. It's all about the body, body. It's all about the body, body. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.